Hey everyone, and welcome to Bort. Many of us face with the need of quickly ironing clothes when you are late for work in the morning. To iron a couple of things, you need at least 15 minutes. But the steam cleaner completely solved this problem. In 1 or 2 minutes, even thick pants will be ironed. Many of those who first try to use a steam cleaner forget about ironing forever. Let's take a closer look at the Bort system cleaners lineup. The first model is Compact Plus. It is not an ordinary steam cleaner. The kit includes a special nozzle that turns it into a small kettle. It means that when you're going on vacation or on a business trip, you will not have problems with crumpled clothes and you can always make some tea. The second model is Comfort Plus. This is a full-fledged steamer with impressive characteristics that will allow you to iron not only clothes, but also blackout curtains or bedding, for example. There is a special stand that imitates an ironing board, so that any fabric can be ironed. The model has a removable 2 liters water tank. This is enough for 30 minutes of work without a pause. And with regular use in the morning, 3-4 days without adding water. A telescopic wand will help you choose a comfortable size for your height. And large wheels make it easy to move the device. Yes, in most cases when used constantly, it stays in one particular place of the apartment, but many move it in the pantry after use. Now, the bigger model, Bort Pro Iron. It also has all the advantages of the Comfort Plus model, but there are a number of fundamental differences. From its naming, it is clear that an iron is included. It heats up as a usual one, can be used with an ordinary ironing board. It has a descaling button. And by the way, there is a mitt in the kit for not to getting a burn. Steam has a constant pressure of 5.5 bar when pressing a button. Using the built-in manometer, you can monitor the pressure. In fact, this steam cleaner can iron almost anything, regardless the fabric of the product, and does it really quickly. Especially in large 3.8-liter water tank gives 40 minutes of continuous operation. Hangers can fold. And if you want to attach your hanger, then there is a convenient clip for securing. The choice of the right model depends only on your needs and on what problem you have to solve. You can choose a small portable device and use it like a kettle on the go, or a full-fledged steam cleaner with multiple accessories, or you can choose almost a professional steam cleaner that can be used even in a clothing store. I'm sure that our small video will help you with the choice. If you have any questions left, write them in the comments. We will be happy to answer them. Stay healthy and bye!